हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं ब्रजेश कुमार, जमशेदपुर कोऑपरेटिव कॉलेज डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी। आज मैं कम्युनिटी स्ट्रक्चर के विषय में डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। इन नेचर ऑर्गेनिजम्स कैन नॉट रिमेन एलोन, इट ऑलवेज रिमेन इन एसोसिएशन विथ ईच अदर। ए ग्रुप ऑफ सेवरल स्पेसीज which may be a plant or animal living together with mutual tolerance or adjustment and beneficial to each other in a natural area is known as community. In community, only living organisms are included. That means if both living and non-living organisms are considered together, then it is better to call as ecosystem rather than a community. Grishevach scientist 1838 termed it as plant formation. Mobius 1880 coined the term biocoinosis for the association of organisms. Schroeter and Kirchner 1902 introduced the term synecology as an association of plant species of a particular natural area. Later on, this study of plant species and animal species with mutual adjustment or tolerance and beneficial to each other in natural area was termed as community. Composition of community. The community varies in size. It varies from several thousands of square kilometers to several squares of feet. A forest community is of several thousands of square kilometers, whereas a desert community is comparatively smaller and consists of several hundred kilometers. A river, ponds, lake are more smaller community. The most smallest communities are leaf surface, fallen leaves, soils, etc. In each community, one or few species are found to be more in number. Such species are said to be dominant. They grow very rapidly and controls the growth of other species of the community. Hence, they are said to be nucleus of the community. A structure of community. A community may be divided horizontally into sub-communities. Each sub-community of the horizontal division are said to be zonation of the community. In different zone of a mountain shows different distinct vegetative. 13,000 2,000 feet height, 3,000 feet height, desert biome with two distinct zone. 3,000 to 5,000 zone, grassland biomes with three distinct zones. 5,000 to 6,250 conifer forest of Pinon juniperus zone, and north 9,000 to 6,000 to 6,250 to north 9,500 conifer forest of four distinct fires and pine zone south, and 9,500 to 13,000 tundra biome with a sage grass zone. Figure Figure showing zonation, horizontal vegetational zone on one of the mountains of western North America. Second, second figure, latitudinal zonation of vegetation showing different types of vegetation from equator to pole. Third figure, altitudinal zonation of vegetation on mountains showing different types of vegetation with increasing altitude. Stratification is the very common aspect of structure. It includes change of species in vertical rather than horizontal. Sometimes stratification is more complex with includes several vertical layers of species. Stratification of a forest community is most complicated. It includes five vertical subdivisions, which are as follows: subterranean subdivision, forest floor, herbaceous vegetation, shrubs and trees. Origin and development. In a barren area, seed and propagulation of different species reached by the wind. Sometimes it also carried by the other sources such as word Words animals. This is known as migration. Under favorable condition, it germinates. All germinating seeds do not develop in adults. Out of these only few survive and grows into adults. This process of seedling establishment and successful growth is known as SSCs. As a result of migration and species colonization of the species occurs due to colonization. Change in the environment takes place, and several other species in that particular area being to colonize. Thus, a community develops. There are two broad types of relationship between the organisms of a community and environment. Mm, A. Interrelation between the organisms. B. Relationship between species and environment. Interrelation between organisms. Competition. First, due to rapid colonization, individuals becomes agreed to a place, so intra or inter-specific competition develops among themselves for food and space. As a result of those action and interaction on the habitat, the pioneer species modify their own environment. Some species which are unable to adjust in the changed environment disappears from that area. In a species colonized into the changed habitat, thus slight change or entirely change in the community takes place. This orderly change in the vegetation is known as a succession. In this way, a climax community comes to the end. Second, stratification. As we know that there are different zones or sub communities in a particular community. In each zone, plant species varies in size, forms and behavior. Various plants of each zone are adapted to the particular set of conditions. There are some species in each zone which can modify the environment. Hence, the change in environment is suitable for the another type of community. This change in the community is known as stratification. Cohabitation. Various type of chemicals secreted by vegetative organs of plants of a community. It modifies the edaphic conditions. Similarly, bacteria actinomycetes which cause effect on the soil condition. Thus change in soil change the habit of the plant. Relationship between species and the environment. We have seen earlier that there is a close relationship or action in interaction between the species, between the same or different species. Here we will see that there is also action in and interaction between the organisms and the environment as a resolution a particular community change to another type of community sooner or later in a particular area is known as ecological succession. Ecotone. Uh, the climatic and physical factors are changeable of a particular community. It is a natural process, so a species of other community begins to grow in the changed environmental condition. It is very difficult to say that a particular community is going to the end and a new community is beginning, because there is no sharp distant live between in the two communities. So we observe there is a intermeaning of species of both the communities is known as ecophone or tension zone. Ecotone as observed at the border of the forest community and grassland community. The ecotone has greater number of a species and the density of most of a species is higher than the neighboring communities. This unique feature of an ecotone is known as principles of ages. Some ecologists have introduced continuum concept of ecology. It means there are no distinct communities with a particular border line. Classification. The classification of plant community has been given by different ecologists in different manner. First, some ecologists classified plant community on the basis of physical factors such as light, temperature, climates, water, soil, etc. Warming 1909 classified plant community of the basis of water relation. He classified plant community into hydrophytes, mesophyte and xerophyte. Skimper 1898 classification the basis of climatic zone. He classified plant community into forest, grassland, desert. Second, some ecologists classified plant community on the basis of habitat and divided the environmental condition mainly into two broad